Hello everyone, and welcome back to Widget Wisdom. In this video we are going to see how we can create this circular loading progress indicator with the value showing in the percentage, and how you can create this with your own values. So let's start the video. So here we have this empty project, which have this empty center widget. So now come into this center widget and here add column widget for its child, then add the main axis alignment to center, then add the children for this. Now inside this children add the circular progress indicator and then save the code. And you can see the default progress indicator has been appeared on the screen. Now let's customize this. So let's add the background color for this indicator. So here I've added the red background color. And then you can see the color of path of this has been changed to red color from transparent. Now you can also add the stroke width of this indicator and change its value to 5, then save the code. And the width has been changed, so now you can customize this value as per your requirements. Now let's remove these things from the progress indicator, and now let's add the value thing for this indicator. So for that, come up above here and here add the single ticker provider state mixin. We are adding this mixin because we are going to use animation controller for this indicator. Now here first create the animation controller variable as controller, because we are going to use this to control animations. And please make sure to add late here, because we are going to initialize this inside the init method. Now create an animation variable of type animation, which will produces values of type double over time. That is why I've added double inside this angular brackets, and also add the late here. Then create the init state and inside it let's initialize the controller. So for doing that, first add the animation controller, then assign this to vsync. So this vsync specifies the object that provides the ticker for the animation controller. Then add the duration for this. This duration specifies the duration of the animation controlled by the animation controller. Then come down here and initialize the animation by adding tween, which we are creating for double value. So here add double inside these angle brackets. Then specify the starting value as 0 and the ending value add 1 of the animation. Then associate this tween animation to the animation controller. So yeah, that was it. Now from here call the increment value method. Then create this method. Now come inside this method, and here add controller.forward, because it will triggers the animation to move forward. Then here override the dispose method. Then come inside this method, and from here dispose animation controller, so that when user close the screen or the animation is completed, then it will dispose this controller and free up the space. Then add the super.dispose. Then come inside this circular progress indicator, then here add the value property, and assign the animation.value to it, so that it will assign the value to this indicator. Then here add the background color for this indicator, so I've added the red color for this. Now add the value color, and here add always stopped animation, so this thing applies a solid color to your animation. And here I've added the blue color to this. Then save the code, and we have error, so just rerun the app, and now we can see our progress indicator, but the progress thing is not happening here, so I guess we have some issues in our code. And I found the issue, so let's fix this. So for fixing that, here add the listener for to animation. And whenever the animation is changed, then it will call the set state, which will change the indicator value. So yeah, the issue is fixed, and now save the code, and you can see the progress indicator has been working pitch perfect. Now let's add the text widget, which will specifies the current progress value of this indicator. So for doing that, here add text widget below this progress indicator. And here add the animation.value, then multiply this value with 100, because this value is always going to in between 0.0 to 1.0, so this is why we are multiplying this with 100, then convert this value to integer, then convert it into string, then add the percentage sign, and now save the code. And you can see the percentage is appearing on the screen and it is changing as the progress indicator is changing. And here also add the sized box between these two widgets, so that it will have some nice look. So that was it for the basic implementation of the circular progress indicator. So if you have liked this video, then please give us a thumbs up, and comment down what you have liked or disliked about this video, and also you can comment down what you want to learn next. And please do subscribe to Widget Wisdom.